Nordic Trek for My Fit. WFH didn't just mean working from home. For those with the drive, it also stood for workouts from home. Many companies boomed as they adjusted to many of us, shifting our training and exercise from gym to living room, spare room, that corner of the bedroom. Now, the pendulum is swinging back as some gyms tentatively reopen, and we return to the squat rack that didn't quite fit into our tiny studio apartment. But that won't stop fitness companies from introducing new blends of gear with tech tricks, hoping you'll be willing to upgrade your gear. Nordic Trek's adjustable dumbbells can connect to any Amazon Alexa-capable third-party device to quickly adjust the weight from 5 pounds to 50 pounds in 5 pounds increments. With just your voice, the voice assistant, sadly, won't cajole you into a few extra reps. There's a subscription training service to go along with the $429 dumbbells, available now, but it's thankfully not required. Matt Smith, Horizon Forbidden West may have leaked a month early. Another spoiler minefield. Sony. Horizon Forbidden West is one of the most anticipated games coming to PS5. But just over a month before the action RPG arrives on February 18th, it appears an unfinished version of the game has leaked. It's another problem for Sony. Months before The Last of Us Part 2 was released, a large portion of the game, including cutscenes with major story spoilers, leaked online. Continue reading. Sponsored by Verizon. 5G ultra-wideband, now in more and more places. China's lunar probe finds on-site evidence of water on the moon's surface. NASA had previously remotely confirmed the presence of the substance. China Daily CDIC, Reuters. China's Chang'e-5 lunar lander has found water on the surface of the moon, marking the first ever time scientists have found on-site evidence of the substance on Earth satellite. Chinese researchers claim the lander detected signs of water molecules or hydroxyl, a close chemical cousin of H2O. Chinese scientists believe most of the molecules came to the moon through a process called solar wind implantation. Charged particles from the sun drove hydrogen atoms to the lunar surface, where they later bonded with oxygen to form water and hydroxyl. This study builds on findings NASA published in 2018, when it found evidence of water on the sunlit surfaces of the moon using an airborne infrared telescope. Continue reading. LAPD fired 2 officers who ignored robbers to play Pokemon Go. To catch a Snorlax. The LAPD has fired 2 police officers for ignoring a robbery on April 15, 2017, deciding instead to play Pokemon Go, rather than respond to a radio call demanding backup for a theft at Macy's in the Crenshaw Mall. The officers reportedly spent the next 20 minutes driving around to catch a Snorlax. Lozano and Mitchell denied playing Pokemon Go and insisted they were only having a conversation about the game, but the in-car camera revealed they discussed the robbery call and chose to ignore it. Another officer also witnessed the cruiser leave the area after the call. Continue reading. The Associated Press will turn its photojournalism into NFTs. It will launch on January 31st. The Associated Press (AP) will start selling its award-winning contemporary and historic photojournalism as non-fungible tokens on January 31st. The news agency teamed up with blockchain technology provider Zua to develop a marketplace for its NFTs, which will debut with an initial collection it will release after opening. AP's initial collection includes digitally enhanced Pulitzer Prize-winning images across categories such as space, climate, and war. Each one will include the image's original metadata that shows its location, the time and date it was taken, and the equipment and settings the photographer used for the shot. Continue reading. The biggest news stories you might have missed. A Nintendo Switch Online and microSD bundle is half off on Amazon. Signal founder Moxie Marlinspike steps down as CEO. Roku offers easy access to Live TV with a new hub. Uber no longer supports ride-hailing via the Apple Watch. Wordle clones are taking over the App Store. Rapid COVID tests will soon be fully covered by insurance in the U.S. GM recognizes California's authority to set its own vehicle emissions standards. Attack on Titan gear is coming to Call of Duty. Assassin's Creed: The Ezio Collection heads to Nintendo Switch on February 17th. All products recommended by Engadget are selected by our editorial team, independent of our parent company. Some of our stories include affiliate links. If you buy something through one of these links, we may earn an affiliate commission.